Today is our annual Spring Day of Service here at Elizabethtown College.
Service is important at E-Town because that's really what the basis of our student body is built on.
We have over 300 people packing over 45,000 meal kits.
I think it makes me feel great that I'm helping people and allowing them to have food and like a meal that they probably wouldn't be able to get.
I really think that it brings the community together, not only our campus community, but with our staff and our faculty and just other community members.
My favorite part about this event is that we get an opportunity to bring people in from different walks of life to do what we love to do, which is serve our community.
When I was looking at colleges, one of the most important things to me was looking for a school that had service really deeply embedded into its own values. Finding a school that aligned with my values was really important to me.
This is a wonderful event because there are so many students that come here, and I just think it just shows what the school's made out of.
It touches my heart in ways that cannot be verbalized because we come together for a common cause around service. Service is important to Elizabethtown College because it's the heart of who we are and what we stand for. It's the motto, educate for service, and being a part of this event is a fantastic way for everyone to get involved, support a great cause, and build community with those around you too.